All right, rain, sleet, or snow, you already know. We hustle daily, man. What's going on with y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Big Play to the Rizzy. I should have kind of brought my a bigger umbrella out here because this umbrella is pretty small, the one that I'm got up under us right now that's keeping us protected. That's new, I believe. Damn. How y'all think the Copart fanboy did that? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this black going from the top to the hood. That's kind of clean. Let's see what kind of interior it got. Might as well. Ooh, with the red. Come on, man. That's a crazy little, and it got the red key. He was in the red key, man. And it's a red eye, I think. Yep, it is. Yep, that's a new one, man. But we're here to look at, I already showed y'all this one, the Daytona. Go crazy. Y'all know that only a couple of those is made. Y'all can go back and watch that video. Just go to my channel. Y'all want to see that? I put it in the thumbnail for one of them. It's another Hellcat with the orange. My boy with the orange. What kind of interior you did? Oh, just black, just black, just black. All black leather, all black leather. All black leather, y'all. That's it. Man, so check these two out. So you got the older GLE, right? It's like a 17, I think. 16, 17. Then you get that new joint, that 20 GLE 53 right here. Nasty, bro. Way nastier. Way nastier. Then you got a Corvette here. It's a Grand Sport. I think I tried to get in that door a couple of times and it did not open. But man, we here. I'm glad it stopped raining a little bit. I think we got like 3. Oh, there go one right there. Perfect, man. Oh wow, look, we got a Lexus. See, this is what I'm talking about. That's why it's always good to come out. Oh, we got some cars coming. Our cars, some things called fucking, I don't even can't remember the things. But we got old Bubba right here. I don't know if I want to go this old, but we gonna see. I still like to give the old cars a chance. We got a 5.0 right here too. We got a couple cars out here, y'all. This one got hit. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all this real quick. This one got hit right here. 5.0 GT. All right. We got this one right here. I know y'all probably don't like it when I look at stuff like this, man. I still like stuff like this, bro. Come on, guys. I still like stuff like this, man. I think I'm gonna be able to put the umbrella down. Look how clean it is, bro. I think I'm gonna put the umbrella down. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Sit there right there. We can't forget that, y'all. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. And join the Hustle Nation if you ain't already joined, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like video for your boy. Man, this thing do not got no power, but it was clean though. Look, it was clean. Y'all can see it is clean. You feel me? What y'all think? But no power means we cannot mess with it. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all interested in learning how to buy, sell, or properly inspect cars at the auction or private party sales, man. The link is in the description, man. Make sure y'all check that out. Yeah, let's keep moving. All right, it started raining a little bit. Hold up. Hold up. All right, so y'all already know I don't like cars that don't crank up, man. So We ain't gonna be able to mess with that. What else did I just see? Another Charger over there. I think it's a V6 though. Damn. Thought I just seen something else. Oh, of course. How could I forget? Exactly what I want to see right here. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah. Y'all see exactly. Oh, damn. This one is tore up from the floor up on the back. I still get the picture though. So this is what yeah, we not messing with this at all. Damn. Somebody smacked them, bro. Or they backed up into something, but from the looks of it, somebody ran into them. Yep, somebody definitely ran into them. LS 460. Let's check this thing out, man. Y'all know I'm a Lexus fanboy. We got a mosquito right there. Smells like cigarettes in here. Cigarettes. It's cool though. 94,000 miles. I mean, with the F Sport, it's cool. I can't really say I'm too crazy over this. And this is a 20. I'm gonna have to look in the door. There's not even no sticker on here. There's no sticker right there. Oh, here go the VIN number right here. It's a 13. Yep, 13. But anyway, it I don't know. It ain't all that. It ain't all that. I ain't gonna lie. What y'all think? It ain't all that to me. Not all. It ain't all that. It ain't all that. I like to rebuild one still, but it ain't all that. And that's another thing. I don't even think those come with interiors other than that black and that, you know, light color, whatever that light color is. You know, I want a freaking, like, if you're gonna go with LS, like, they at least need to throw a red. Like, I don't know. Y'all get in the comments below and let me know if is there a LS 460 in that model year 13, 14, 15 with red or something interior, or a nice caramel, or, you know, because I ain't seen none. And if it's just that plain black, come on, Lexus, bro, they should have went crazy. They should have went crazy. But I get it, it's a big car, it's, you know, I don't know. They should have went crazy. But let me see if I can find what I'm looking for. I'll be back. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, we got one here. Even something like this would be cool. Damn, actually, that bent all the way. Every time I start the camera back up, it starts raining again. But actually, I don't know. I don't like this one, but this is a C. It's giving me raggedy vibes, but it's a C300 Mercedes. I'll rebuild a Mercedes too. You know, so I'm not saying we just gonna keep doing Lexuses, but at the same time, this mug ain't got no power. Yeah, it's giving me raggedy vibes anyway. And I don't really know too much about the Mercedes either. BMW here. It's decent. Damn, they motherfucker on the bricks. Not even on bricks, that motherfucker on the ground. Damn. Y'all can just walk with me for right now. But I seen that LS online. And I didn't know it was gonna be out. But it is. It's crazy because I'm not seeing nothing. I was looking for a RX, which I don't see. And it's raining. I got a few days though. So I could come back. Cause it is raining out here, man. But okay, there go one, but that's not the one I was looking for. Should have been like, I got this little bitty ass umbrella. I guess I gotta show the Copart fanboys the damn, man. Damn, it's starting to rain hard as hell. Yeah, that got a wrap on it. Yeah, man, forget that. We gotta walk back to the front. It was some little bitty rain coming down when I first came in here. Shit, it is starting to rain now. And I got this little bitty ass umbrella. Damn, y'all. Hey, we going through it. Y'all see what's going on right now? We going through it, man. God damn, I can't even see. God damn, I can't even hold the camera in the... Damn, y'all. Yo, this is crazy right now. I gotta learn to strap my vest down. Damn. Let me try to get in between the cars, y'all. Sheesh. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. I'm gonna see if I can find that Lexus, that RX. It was hit on the side. There go an E350. We ain't got time to look at that right now. That wheel's still right there. That's a Hellcat wheel. That joint been out here for 3 years. Alright, man. Y'all see what's going on. Let me see if I can locate this joint. And if I can't, I'm gonna get up out of here. Alright, and y'all see what I decided to do. It actually stopped raining a little bit when I got all the way up here, but I am drenched. So we will see you guys on the next one, man. I got a little time. Look, the car's really purple. Or something, I don't know. Never know with you Copart fanboys. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. Peace.